Oh, look at that. My brother from another mother. Woo. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Nice Brooklyn gray outside today. Interesting spot to put the front license plate. It's not that bad, actually. Fire G82, it actually don't look that bad lifted up. I know mine is lowered. Didn't seem like a huge difference, but I'm actually gonna check it out. I wanna compare it. It definitely has a few more things than I do. The little carbon things on the hood look pretty nice. The laser lights. Sheesh. It's my Brooklyn gray, brother. Woo. Yeah, you can tell that thing's in the sky though. It is a huge difference. He got unlucky with the Pirellis too. Those wheels are actually two-tone. Mine are like fully black. I haven't seen the two-tone version of those, but this car is sick. He got a trunk clip, tinted out. Mine is like fishbowl. This is a dope comparison of the two cars and what you could do to them. Shout out to this guy. I be seeing him parked up from time to time. YM4. Those spec, man. You can't go wrong no matter which way you spec these things, to be honest with you. Unless you're those guys in the comment section that go super duper hard, and the chances are they really don't even own one to begin with. Any spec you get, as long as you can live with it and put a smile on your face, screw that. Any decision you make in your life, you can walk away with a smile on your face. As long as you good, that's all that matters, bro. So I don't know why I was so dramatic, because even opening the trunk, you wouldn't be able to tell this is a magical box filled with contents that's gonna make my life better. So another hidden gem about your G82 you might not have known: the carbon fiber roof can double as an unboxing table, a very expensive unboxing table, one that if you make a mistake could cost you a lot of money. We are gonna go light and easy, because the last thing I want to do is scratch up the top of this thing, kind of like I just did, probably spinning this thing around, but hey, it's life. So before I get this package open and show you guys exactly what it is, I want to give a huge shout out to the guys over at Fitcamx for hitting me up and actually sending me this product out to test for my G82. Comes in pretty nice box, and I got it from China. I'm not exactly sure where they ship out from. But once again, shout out to the guys over at Fitcamx for sending me this thumbnail. Legitimately, he only brought a flathead, because that's all I think I need for this thing. Let's get this box open. Woo! Come on. This dash cam replaces the whole like mirror section part down there. You have two buttons right here, which is power, and I guess a snapshot button right here. And this side, SD card, which it comes with an SD card. Let's see. It looks like it does. It comes with one. It's a 64 gig. I'll probably upgrade it to whatever the highest one this thing can take, because I just want, you know, that much recording. If you look at the front right over here, there's the camera. I'm not gonna peel it out until it's installed in the car. I'm gonna get the ripping apart and get the installing and putting this thing in and see how it works. Hopefully you guys caught that. Wasn't that bad, huh? I kind of nicked the little corner right here, thinking that this comes apart, but if you flip it around, you'll see there's no way it comes off. It just comes off this way right here and straight down. So you're gonna, I guess, get in here with plastic also, don't use metal, screwdriver like I did, it's just what I had, and get right up under here from the driver's side line and just split it down the cracks, and boom, it comes off. So this is a comparison between the two units. Obviously there's nothing here, and we have a little connection here, which this whole unit is going to be tapped in and powered by an existing connection we have underneath there, which is one of the #1 reasons why I recommend this thing. They did tell me they were going to give me a code so you guys could save some money on, you know, this dash cam, so I'll definitely have it below in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Trying to save you guys and help you guys make some good choices. But yeah, that thing looks like it's not going to be too noticeable. Let me get this thing on the car. go. I don't think it's communicating anything with the car. I think this is just to share power. This thing doesn't run on it. It just runs on it. It's still a unit, so. Looks like we're up and running with that. Like so. Oh, there it goes. You just had to squeeze the living crap out of it. This is how it looks from outside the car. I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks dead factory, bro. Yo, you can't even freaking tell there's anything extra in front of there. Look at that. Wow. Woo! With the minimal damage, very minimal, but with the minimal damage that I did with my metal flathead, I could have avoided that if I would have just kept looking through the packaging. So it came with a plastic prying tool, which you use to get into there. Also comes with a SD reader. So it takes the micro SD, attaches to a USB so that all the footage that you grab from your dash cam, you can upload to your computer. So it's pretty cool. Look through the contents of the packages and probably the directions, preferably the directions, before you get into this, because, well, something that I don't do. I tend to get the job done and give you guys my ideas and my thoughts on things like that. Remember we talked about instructions? You need them. Password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Broken across. So this is what I'm looking at now, and this is what the camera sees. So that's pretty good. Oh damn, my instructions and flew all over the place. It's pretty good. I like it though. It's nice. All right. Okay. Let me see if we got some settings in here. See what kind of quality that is. So right now we got it set to. Oh, you can get 4K, 3840, 2160. That's 4K. Right now we got it set to 2K, which, let me see the quality of 4K right now, and I'm gonna show you guys the quality of 4K. We got 56 gigs left, so 4K is obviously gonna take up more memory, which I don't mind that. I want everything caught in 4K, because if something go down crazy, well, I'm gonna put it on here for you guys on YouTube. Yo, so they have sound recording as well too as an option on here, which I'm not exactly sure if I want to record my sounds, because I be doing some wild stuff. So good, I can turn that on and off, drop it to the 4K. I want to see how it looks. So boom, 4K. I mean, on the phone, not for nothing, it looks pretty chopped. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'll show you guys. It don't look that clear. So hold on a second. Okay, I wonder how delayed it is. I could download the file to the phone. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, so it started recording before the install was finished, because that's the blue tape. It's pretty cool. I like it. Now, in all honesty, there is no big external battery pack. I'm not exactly sure how long it'll work, like in a parking mode, or if it does. To be real, listen, this is the first dash cam I really had in my car with any type of battery, so I'm pretty cool with it. If something happens to my car when I'm not there, you can't capture it. That's probably one of the cons. I know a lot of you guys want that type of stuff to see what's going on with your car when it's not there, but I'm not exactly sure. I'll browse the website, see what other products they offer. And once again, I'll put my link down below where you guys could pick this up, save some money as well, and check out some of the other options they have. But yeah, that seems to be about it. Today went super duper smooth. Got my dash cam installed in the G80 M4. Looks like we out of here. Michael So Speed. Peace out.